stacker on a journey to find silver. International Stacker.
What's up, guys? International Stack here. Big shout out to Silver Chimp, and I'm here with an epic unboxing. What the heck? I got this in the mail today, but it's some weird Arabic. Sharka Masana Al-Mahalil Al-Tabiya. If any of you guys know what that means, tell me. I have no clue. I can read about it now. What the? Hemodialysate acid concentrate? Wait, why did this come to me? Alright guys, I'm sketched out about this. Unidentified package. Let's take a core sample. Let's bust a border and customs patrol on this. Let's see what happens here. What the heck? What is in there? What? You guys, there's like... Alright, we're gonna have to get into this more. Let's see what's going on here. Let's get this open. Okay. Let's see what we got going on here, guys. What the beep? What the? Really? Sand? Oh my gosh, it's nothing but sand. Wait a second. You guys, there's a false bottom in here or something. Oh, let's see what's going on here. Let's see what's going on here. Let's tip this back up. Let's get all the sand out of here. Alright. Oh, maybe there's something good in here. Okay. How do I balance? Okay, let's go like this. Let's go over here. Yeah. Man, it's hard to balance this camera. What the heck could it be, guys? Okay. Okay. Oh, it feels solid, whatever it is. Shout out to Silver Chimp, the epic unboxing. And I did just dump a bunch of Saudi sand on my living room floor. Alright guys, this is my entry. Hopefully I win some silver, and if I win it, I'm going to do an unboxing when I get back to the United States. Catch you on the next one.